Hi and welcome back to Wrexham Volkswagen. My name is Shannon and today I'm really excited to give you a tour around this fantastic Volkswagen approved used T Roc just landed in stock. This is a 2-litre TSI 190 PS 4Motion DSG finished in a white silver metallic paint. This vehicle does also come with a 2-year Volkswagen warranty. If you'd like to find out more information about this T Roc, then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. This T Roc features your LED daytime running lights that illuminate the road for the driver whilst also making you more visible to other road users. We have your electric foldable heated door mirrors which will reduce condensation on those foggy mornings. And we also have your side steps each side of the vehicle. We've got your silver roof rails, got your stunning 18-inch alloy wheels with the red calipers, and then entering the rear you'll see your upgraded gem cloth. You have the lovely red stitching contrasting really well against the finish. We have plenty of room for your rear passengers. Then taking you inside the boot, so pushing the Volkswagen badge in and lift. Opening up, we have a really spacious boot. We've got plenty of room to store your weekly shopping. You can even fit a few large suitcases in here. Got your load through. And then in case of any accidental punctures, you do also have your spare wheel in here as well. This car does also come with your 2 keys, which is great if you have multiple drivers using the same car. Then progressing towards the front, opening up, you'll see your electric mirror and window controls in the driver's door, followed by your heated leather multifunction steering wheel. We have a fantastic panoramic sunroof as part of your upgraded option. So that concludes the exterior tour. Next I'll jump in and I'll show you some more of the exclusive features on the inside. So jumping inside, firstly we have your heated steering wheel which you'll really benefit from in a colder climate. We've got your adaptive cruise control which is perfect for long motorway driving. Then on the right we can also easily flip through your digital dash. So it shows key information within your field of view. You can flip through things like your audio, telephone, vehicle status, driving data. And we do also have your automatic lights which is great for someone who forgets to turn them on, as well as your Beats audio sound pack as part of an upgraded option. And over here we have your infotainment system with your full menu and your shortcut buttons either side, so we'll just go into a couple of them. So we've got your DAB digital radio as standard. We have your app connect, so you can seamlessly display your phone for the vehicle using either Android Auto, Apple CarPlay or MirrorLink. And we do also have your Bluetooth telephone preparation so you can answer phone calls safely. And then we do have your front and rear parking sensors, so this is how it will be displayed on your screen. This will give you that boost of confidence when parking your vehicle. And then we have your different driving profiles. And then not only do we have your parking sensors, you also have your park assist button. So you'll never need to worry about parking your vehicle again, as this will basically do it for you. Then we do have your 2-zone climate controls, so both yourself and your passenger have easy access to your own temperatures to save any arguments, as well as your front heated seating for both seats, so keep you nice and cosy in a colder climate. Then moving down we have another fantastic upgraded option which is your wireless phone charging, so it's really convenient and helps from wires being all over your centre console. We have your DSG gearbox, got your electronic park brake with auto hold, some storage space underneath the armrest. Let's give you a close up of your seat. You've got your dark grey decorative inserts, and then lastly we have your fantastic panoramic sunroof. It floods so much natural light into the vehicle, it's so easy to use. And then when the sun glare gets that bit too much, you've got your sun blind as well. So this was a tour around the Volkswagen T Roc. If you'd like to find out more information about this vehicle, then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. Thanks for watching.